What's going on, guys? Stefan here with you, S&E's Garage. Behind us, we have our 2006 Lexus IS350. And today, we're going to be fixing a very minor issue that I have with the car. So when I purchased this car, the previous owner only gave me one key, and I always like to have two keys. God forbid I get stuck somewhere, the key's lost or something like that. I don't want to have to get the car towed to Lexus. I want to be able to run home, grab my other key, come get the car. So we are going to be installing a new key into this car and programming it using the Dorman 99389 for 2006 to 2008 Lexus vehicles. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a key fob, and there's a little programmer back here. And according to this will work for 2006 to 2008 ES350, IS350, GS350, GS450, LS460, GS450, LS460, IS250, GS300, 430, 460, LS600, GS460, and LS600. So let's go ahead, let's crack this guy open, and let's program us a key. Now, I am going to leave one of these in the video description below. If you buy from that link, it goes to our Amazon affiliate store, and it does give us a small cut. We do greatly appreciate it. One thing that I think is worth mentioning with this setup is you need at least one master key. So one of your regular keys has to be operational. This will not work for a lost key situation. If you've lost your key, you'll have to go to Lexus or call a locksmith, which again is the reason why I'm doing this. I want to avoid the whole losing a key and not having a master situation. I want to have two of them. So let's get it open, read the instructions, and program it. Okay, so we're here in the car. We got the existing key, we have the new key, and we have the programmer. And let's go ahead and go through these instructions. So get into the vehicle with the existing key, new keys, and programmer. Leave the driver's door open, which it is. Step 3 is to press the start-stop button to the on position. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm just going to turn my headlights off. And now it wants us to plug this programmer up under here into the USB port, and it should beep. After 10 seconds, the programmer will beep, indicating that you have entered programming mode. Okay. Using an existing already programmed remote, touch the back of the remote to the start-stop button. You should hear a beep. So let's go ahead. Okay, there was a audible beep. Using your new remote to be programmed, touch the back of the remote to the start-stop button. You should hear a beep. Okay. Press the start-stop button to the off position and remove the programmer. Okay, so do that. Remove the programmer. Okay, the programmer is off. Put your foot on the brake and start the vehicle. Okay. Turn vehicle off and test all buttons on the new remote. Okay, and the new remote is now operational. That is literally how fast that is. So what I'm going to do now, just to make sure that this worked, is we're going to leave my existing keys, so my old keys here, with the programmer. Let's move them even further away from the car. Let's go ahead and put them over here. And let's just get in the car with this key. Let's go ahead and start it up. Again, all that's in here is my new key. Done deal. All right, guys, and just like that, you added a new key to your 2006 to 2008 Lexus vehicle for under 150 bucks. I bought that kit for like 120 bucks with free shipping, and everything's good now. We have two keys. We're not going to have a lockout situation. I'm not going to have this thing towed to a Lexus dealer if I ever lose my key, and we're all good. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'll leave one of these in the video description below. You buy from that link, helps us out. We greatly appreciate it. Like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down below. Let me know how you liked the video. And stay tuned because we're going to have a lot more content on both this Lexus and my GSF in the coming weeks.